Okay, Heather, we're having a look at your serve. There's a couple important things to watch for here. I'm going to go back again. Now, typically you tend not to lean into the court enough. So when you finish your serve, your left foot doesn't fall forward into the court. Let's have a look. So you can see here you're bending down, and you might remember we worked on pushing the knees this way. That's very important for you to remember because it allows the knees and the legs particularly to push up properly. At times you don't quite get up to the ball and so you hit the ball into the net. That's a combination of a low ball toss and your legs not functioning properly. Now if we have a look a little bit further along the way, you can see how you're almost going to go backwards here, your hip rotation. Over here is a little bit backwards. You can see your left foot is landing further back than what it started at the bottom here. Now this is quite typical for your serve, so when you get in trouble, this is what usually causes the trouble. Just there's not much up and out. So you're not landing into the court, you're landing behind the baseline. And even though you've got a nice kick here that we worked on, two things about the kick: it should be a little bit further to the side fence. Your kick should be going that way, a little bit behind you. So like that, not pointing that way. So that means you've just rotated a little bit too early. So you need to stay side on a little longer. So the right shoulder goes over your left rather than rotating quite so far around. Now there's some better videos of you falling into the court than this, but this is just, I wanted to show you this one because this is typically what happens under a bit of pressure. Your ball toss, you tend to throw backwards a little bit. You don't throw the ball forward enough, and so you end up just like this. Now probably the best way for you to stop doing this is to actually try to serve and volley in doubles. It's really important that when you're playing doubles matches that you follow some of your best serves to the net. Now if you're playing on fast courts like hard court, and particularly indoor back home in Norway, I would even say that you should serve volley on both first and second serve, even if that means you're going to lose your serve regularly until you get good at it, because this would help you tremendously with your serve in general. So your serve would improve in singles matches if you would serve and volley. In other words, serve and follow your serve to the net. It will force you to bring your body weight into the court and finish with the correct body weight into the court so you can hit up and out, and that would really help you serve a lot. So that's the end of this video. What I'm going to do is just play it again slowly. You can see it from the start. Ball toss not far enough into the court. And even though you finished in a nice position, there's just been no body weight moving forward. So really need to watch that.